Hey guys, this is Sunday, October 4th, 2009, and I'm just wrapping up the garden here. It's getting too cold out. We're getting temperatures about 60 degrees in the daytime and down in the 40s at night. So I'm just cleaning up. Here's a cucumber, a giant one I missed. Check out that. And here's my trellis. Everything's pretty much dying because it's been so cold. And I'm just going to get rid of all the ones that I missed before. There's one hiding up there. Don't know how good it is. That looks good. Oop, dropped it. Oh, here's another one. Get out here. Kind of odd shaped. And there's the ghost pickle. I don't know. One day it just appeared out of nowhere. And here's another one. Oh, there's another one down there. Way in there. We had lots of tomatoes. They're pretty much exhausted because it's too cold. Wow, there is a lot of more cucumbers back there. Huh. I'm gonna have to get back in there. We did have some more bell peppers, as you can see here. And I'll show you what my other garden turned out to be and dig up some potatoes. Check out all the ones I just got out of there. I didn't even know we had these, but I went through pretty thoroughly, and that's about it for this year out of that garden. So, and that ghost pickle is staying in there. I'm not gonna keep that cucumber. He can stay in the garden. Okay, over in this garden by my rotten tomatoes. They don't all turn out perfect. This is the garden with that cardinal climber, which actually made it up to the roof. That's where he was going to. And cleaning up this one, all the tomatoes are pretty much exhausted, and just looking for whatever is left. Right here we got one. Not sure if it's any good. Looks alright. And way back there. Oh, cucumber. Here's some more. Hiding in the grass. That's a nice one. And more back here. Let's see if I can get to those. And that is all that I got out of this garden that was hiding. But this is all from one cucumber plant. That's all I had planted in with these tomatoes. And off this one plant we probably had about 20 cucumbers all summer, so that was pretty good. And I'll go to my other garden now. Okay, in this garden, the one with my beans, they did really well this year. I got tons of beans, and now I'm just pretty much letting them grow so I have more seeds for next year, and I'm just picking them here and throwing them in this box, gonna let them dry out. And I'm still getting a lot to eat off of them. And here's some that I planted later on, and they're still giving beans. Pretty young. And my onions which had those poof balls. The poof balls turned into these little seed pods, and inside of each seed pod is that, you can see that little black seed. I'm not sure how this is focusing, but I'm going to save these and plant lots of onions next year. And let's see how the potatoes turned out. I have no idea. They were right here. They all died off, and it's time to dig them up. Okay, let's see what these potatoes did this year. And right on the top I can see a little one. But I'll dig through here with my hands and see what we come up with. Oh, there we go. Huh? That's pretty good. Ooh, here's a little one. Pretty cool. I wasn't sure if I was going to get anything out of these. Wow, there's quite a bit in here. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Pretty nice. Little potatoes. Alright. Whoa, there's a nice one. I'm pretty happy. I had no idea. Because these were just growing in the refrigerator. And I decided to throw them and see what would happen. Throw them in. Let's do more little ones. Another little one. A lot of worms in here too. Another little one. Well, I'll stop the camera and... Oh, here's one. Just skimmed it with my fingernail. I'll stop the camera and I'll show you the biggest one I get out of here. But right now I'm pretty happy. An experiment, because we had some potatoes growing in the refrigerator. We put them in the ground around July 5th, and that's what we got. A bunch of little ones and a few decent medium-sized ones. But if they had longer, I'm sure they would have been bigger. And while I was digging up, I dug up my garlic cloves that I had planted at the same time, because those were also starting to grow in the fridge. And they actually turned into little garlic cloves, or like balls, so I wonder how those taste. I'm going to try them out. And it was all pretty much an experiment to see how they grow. Planted single onions that were starting to sprout in the fridge, and they turned into multiple onions, so that's pretty cool. And plus I get all those seeds from them for next year. And last, here are my sensitive plants. They did pretty good, and even got some flowers and went to seed, so I'll be planting those next year. And if you remember my lemon basil that I planted, it went to seed too, and I'll save those seeds. And there's my sage. That did really good. Well, until next year, this is it for my outdoor garden. Thanks for watching.